So let's begin. So we are going to understand a very good and very widely used indicator, which is called RSI. I'm not going to teach today a very typical way of looking at RSI. We'll be looking at the RSI divergence, which is more powerful. Little difficult to find, but more powerful. So let's go ahead in the RSI divergence sheet. This is the moving average, which we learned last week. Now, what we are going to do here is, just give me 1 minute for setting up things. Okay, now let's make it interesting. So this is 66-day moving average. Let's keep it like that only, and then or we can make it disappear also. Let's put our indicator. You can go to indicator and type relative strength index. So this will come relative strength index. Click on it. Have relative strength index. Now, this is the indicator. At the bottom, this indicator has appeared. Now, let me go to setting for the visual purpose. Let me just make the lines darker. Okay, so I have made the lines darker. We are not tampering with any setting. This is a 14 days RSI, relative strength index. This is an indicator, relative strength index. Typically, they say, okay, but that you can buy when it goes below 30 and starts crossing above 30, crosses 50 line. You should buy the stock and continue as long as it is above 70. That is a typical trading strategy. Today, I am going to share for those people who already know a little bit of technical analysis, we'll take it to a further higher level. Now here,
so sorry to interrupt. What is this yellow line, sir?
This is the smoothing line.
Okay, so we need not to consider the yellow line.
No, no, no. We can ignore that. We can even mute it if you want to. This is moving average for RSI. So, okay. Now, I hope what happened. Okay. Now this, I'll remove this box. Why I did was just to show example. I have marked it. Now, before I show this, we are going to learn divergence in RSI. What does divergence means? Before the divergence, we go for the divergence, we'll try to understand what is synchronization. Now, if you see, this is the price peak here. This is one peak here, and this is the peak here. So these are the two price peaks. So price went up, came down, went up, came down. So these two peaks were formed. Agreed? Everyone okay? So far, so good. Can I have yes from all of you?
Yes,
if
sir.
we are clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if we go to the RSI, corresponding RSI, we'll find that corresponding to this peak, we have this peak of line formed by RSI, relative strength index indicator. This is a peak which has formed. Related to this peak has formed here. So if we join the peaks by a line, the line is slanting down. And if we join the RSI peaks, we'll find the line is also slanting down. So price looks to be forming lower lows on the peak. Like, sorry, this is high, so lower high. And RSI also is going lower on the high. So both are in sync. Price going down, RSI is also, peak is going down. Both are in synchronization or showing the same thing. Now, what happens when the divergence occurs? Now here, I have taken this example. This peak is here and this peak is here. If I join these two peaks, the price is going down, right? It looks that the peak formation, second peak formation is lower. But when we go to RSI, this is the peak corresponding to this peak here, and this is the peak corresponding to this. If I join these two peaks, okay, I'll not remove this so that we have a reference. I'll make this as a something. Okay, now what is happening is, if you see here, the peak height is going down, RSI peak height is going down. Both are slanting down. But here, the peak is going down, the RSI is pointing up. So there is a divergence. So one is showing that the peaks are going down, but the RSI is telling, nahi, the peaks are forming at a higher level. Everyone is able to understand the divergence?
Yeah. Sir, I have a question. So are we considering the wicks as well, or do we need to consider only the candle body?
We'll consider wicks also right now, no problem with that. So we will consider the wicks also.
Okay.
So this can, how about others? Everyone clear what I'm mentioning as divergence?
Yes, clear.
Yes. How about others?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what does this mean for us? It means money. Okay. So now if I bring in this, I discovered today only. So we can as well use the 66 days moving average, or if you don't want to use 66 days moving average, how many of you have attended the triangle webinar, or you have seen the video of triangle, what I had mentioned earlier? Anyone? Yes, no? Okay.
Yes, attended.
Attended, right? So now if we draw here, we'll see the triangle as well here. So I'm just using the ray here, and if I join this peak here, so it's going down. RSI divergence is saying it is going up. So we will go with the RSI divergence. And if we draw this, we are as well seeing a triangle here, correct?
Yes, symmetric.
Everyone can spot the triangle here?
Yes, sir.
How about others?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So now we know how to trade the triangle. As soon as it closes above the top line, we buy here. Correct? As per the triangle theory, what is the high, how far it will go? It will go to the width of the triangle. And let's find what is the width. Kafi change here it is. So width of the triangle, if we measure from here to here, it is the width 63 points. From the breakout point, it has to, as per the triangle theory, it will go up by 63 points. So now what we have done is we have combined the classical method with the RSI divergence. So what is the divergence we are looking for? We are looking for divergence which is showing strength. The price is showing weakness, RSI is showing strength. If you see here, I have taken this example also here. If we zoom in here, the price is same, almost same. But here, if we see in RSI, this peak and this peak, corresponding peak in RSI, it is showing upwards. So this is RSI is showing strength, we can go ahead, but this is not very cleanly showing the triangle. So you can take whenever it crosses this line, we can extend the line till here, something like this. But anyway, it will not form triangle. Whatever we do, try to fit. But with the RSI divergence, it shows that it is bullish. So you can take a bullish trade. This is one more example we have. See here, the price is going down, the RSI divergence is going up. So bottom to bottom, here if we join the RSI, this is bottom, RSI divergence is pointing upwards. Then if we see visually, we can spot a triangle. We can always draw with the ray. We can draw this. We can no. Okay, so this is almost same. So it's almost like a wedge, falling wedge. It's not a triangle, it's a falling wedge. But still, falling wedge will break out. So when we are drawing triangle and when we are seeing this, combine the triangle with RSI divergence, our probability of success increases.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
How about others? You are getting like triangle and
Yes.
you are able to connect, right? Now, if you
Yes.
are going and finding the triangles, and if you see the RSI, you use the RSI, you use the positive divergence that the RSI is going up, even if the price is going down, then you have a more successful, more higher probability winning triangle. You can say that. How far it will go? It will go to the width, but it went far. We cannot say. Okay, मतलब अगर चला गया तो चला गया, उसमें क्या कर सकते हैं? See here, the price is going up. The bottom, this bottom, it is going up. But if you see the corresponding bottom of RSI, it is going down, right? So the RSI is saying that the price, the strength, relative strength is downwards, the price is upward. So the price, even if it is going up, we should avoid trading it because the RSI is giving different signal than what price is telling us. So we can avoid this. See, it went sideways for longer duration. Only when the RSI divergence went up, the price shot up. Here also, if you see the here, it is going up, and this is the peak. This is the peak. RSI is flat. So whenever taking a decision between the price, if the price is going up, RSI divergence is saying, okay, if it is conforming, you can go. But if it is showing divergence that price is going up, RSI is going down, you can avoid or you can delay taking a trade. Whenever the price is same, RSI is saying I am strong, you can plan the trade. Now coming to the stop loss, which is a very good question. Who asked it? Okay, Bulbul asked it. Very fantastic. So we should always work on stop loss. We should always have stop loss. Here when it is going, like I said, here you can take this as a stop loss here. This triangle, see, we have studied the triangle breakout happens. This is a breakout. This closed above this breakout has happened. If it reverses, goes below this, downward breakout has happened. So triangle has failed. It has gone below this line, lower triangle body closed here. So breakout on the bottom side has happened. So if we have to measure the stop loss, we can take from here to here, wherever it is breaking out from here till this line, we can measure the distance. So let's measure the distance. This is our stop loss, and this from here to here. Okay, from here Am I audible? Why it is not happening?
Yeah.
There is some problem. Okay. Okay. It is getting refreshed. So here is the 25 points stop loss. If we have 25 points stop loss, this is 25 points it is showing from this exit to 25. Also, we learned about the risk. So you can control the risk. You can decide, okay, I will take risk of 1,000 rupees only. So if I'm taking a risk of 1,000 rupees only, then how many number of shares I'll buy to ensure I am losing only 1,000 rupees if it falls down? We studied in last week
Yes.
calculations. Okay. We have Amit is saying 40. 25 points loss. Huh? So, okay. So Amit is saying 40. How about others? How many number of shares will buy? We have a 25 points loss. And we are going to risk only 1,000 rupees in this trade. So how many shares will we buy? Okay, Narayan is also saying 40. I hope, Narayan, you are not copying the answer. Please calculate, and everyone, please type in the answer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No. I was just funny. I know, you are right. Okay. Everyone clear about how many number of shares will buy? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, Natesh is very confident. Okay, how about others? सब
Yes.
mute करके छोड़
Yes,
गए क्या?
yes.
मतलब कि okay.
Yes, got
So now what is happening is, with this we have an advantage that we are having a risk reward ratio of 1:3. This is the risk, and our target is 63. Anyway, we'll go till 63. 63 is here. If we exit here, then almost, if we are risking 1,000 rupees, with this trade we'll get 3,000 rupees. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, great. So this is all what I wanted to share. Now what I want you all to do is, we are 40 people. I will upload this. Please go back, put this thing, and take a snapshot of your finding and post it in the comment of YouTube. I'll check on the YouTube comments whether you have done it correctly or not. So what you have to do is, I'll upload this video on YouTube. That is the step number 1. Step number 2, please open any chart, whatever chart you want to open, you open. Point number 3, mark this divergences. RSI going up, price going down. Mark this divergences. Then you can mark the triangle. Okay. And then see this, whether it is working or not with the divergence. Positive divergence, how much it worked, whether it went up as per the triangle theory or not. If yes, take a picture, post it in the comment. If no, take a picture, post it in the comment. I'll go and check whether you are doing it correctly or not, and then I'll reply on that. Is that okay with everyone?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah. How about others?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. बहुत ही मतलब एकदम वीक सा यस, एकदम जोश में यस नहीं है. Okay, great. So I hope everyone learned something new today. You will be able to find good trades, high probability trades with this. Bulbul can as well use it in intraday. I have not tried. You can just have a look at it from an intraday perspective also, and see if it works there also. So with that, we come to the end of the session. Any questions regarding whatever we have covered today?
Yes, sir. This was very informative session actually. So, मैं RSI को अलग ही से देख रहा था. I mean, I used to say, look at using the values actually. 40 means oversold, 80 above 80 is overbought. This is something new to me actually. Thank you.
This is a like secret of RSI, one of the secrets of RSI where we can use this.
Yeah.
Great to know you learned something new and interesting. Surbi, you have a question or? Anything?
No, it's fine. I've understood. Thank you.
Okay, great. So thank you all for joining today on a busy Monday. See you all on Thursday with a new topic. So we'll not have class on next 3 days. Next class we'll have on Thursday. Thanks a lot. Thank you for joining.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks
Good
everyone.
night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.